Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz, and today we're doing video number 3 in a series of videos on common FMCSR violations and truck accidents, bus accidents, commercial vehicle accidents. By way of introduction, if you haven't watched the first several videos in the series, I handle personal injury cases, and personal injury attorneys, generally speaking, tend to handle car accident cases, but within that sort of group of attorneys that handle car accident cases, there are attorneys who handle truck accident cases, bus accident cases, commercial vehicle accident cases. And I think the reason for the specialization is that in commercial motor vehicle cases, you have an additional layer of regulation. It's in addition to the state rules of the road, you have federal FMCSR, Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regs, which govern all aspects of driver safety and vehicle safety. And so what we're doing is a series of videos talking about truck accident, tractor-trailer accident, bus accident cases, and the common types of FMCSR violations. Today what we want to talk about is one of the most common types of violation is called a logbook violation. About 25%, according to an article on ideallease.com, about 25% of all roadside violations, FMCSR violations, involve logbook violations, either form and manner or log not current violations. And what you should know is that drivers of tractor-trailers, commercial vehicle drivers need to keep logbooks, and the purpose of the logbook is so that they can demonstrate that they are compliant with the hours of service regulations in the FMCSR. Section 395.8 of the safety regs requires all drivers to log their hours driving, on duty but not driving, their time in the sleeper berth, etc. And the reason for that is because Section 395.3 sets out hours of service rules for tractor-trailer drivers. So here's some examples. You can have a 14-hour shift. You must have 10 hours off duty before and after that shift. During that 14-hour shift, the driver can actually drive up to 11 hours, but you have to take rest breaks, either off duty or in the sleeper berth, and this all needs to be logged into your driver log. The point of the hours of service rules for tractor-trailer drivers is because you don't want to have a driver that's so exhausted that he poses a danger. And if you remember recently in the news, there was the Tracy Morgan case. That was a case where a Walmart tractor-trailer driver was permitted to commute from his home in Georgia to the center in Delaware, where he got in his truck and started driving. He fell asleep behind the wheel and crashed his truck into the limousine that Tracy Morgan was riding in, catastrophically injured Tracy Morgan and killed another comedian whose name was James McNair. And these are the types of things that happen when you've got exhausted truck drivers driving tractor trailers, towing, loads that can weigh tens of thousands of pounds. So today we want to just illustrate that one of the most common FMCSR violations is hours of service violations, logbook violations. It's good to know that these rules exist even if you're not a commercial tractor-trailer driver. If you're ever involved in an accident involving a big truck, you should know that this is something that needs to be looked into. Again, my name is Ben Schwartz. I'm a personal injury attorney with a law firm of Schwartz & Schwartz. I handle not only car accident cases, but tractor-trailer accidents, bus accidents, commercial motor vehicle accidents. If you have questions about these types of cases, feel free to email me. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. You can also get a hold of me through our Facebook page, facebook.com/Schwartz and Schwartz.